हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू अ यूट्यूब चैनल ब्राइट स्टार्स। तो आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में। एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं, उनके कौन कौन से टाइप्स होते हैं और कुछ एग्जांपल्स की हेल्प से हम उन्हें समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो वीडियो को अच्छे से समझने के लिए वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें और आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके बारे में। What is adjective? Adjective are those words which describes the noun and a pronoun. Or you can say adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of noun. For example, good, black, few, brave, etc. Number 1. Black car. There is a black car. Now, the word car described by its color black. So, the black is an adjective. Number 2. Good boy. He is a good boy. Now, the personality of a boy is described by the word good. So, good is an adjective. Now, let us understand types of adjectives. Number 1. Adjective of quality. Number 2. Adjective of quantity. Number 3. Adjective of number. Number 4. Demonstrative adjective. Number 5. Interrogative adjective. Number 6. Distributive adjective. Number 7. Proper adjective. Number 8. Possessive adjective. So basically there are 8 types of adjectives. Now let us understand these types of adjectives in brief. Number 1. Adjectives of quality, yani of what kind. The word that describes the quality of noun or a pronoun is known as adjective of quality. For example, smart, brave, clever. He is an intelligent boy. Now the word intelligent describes the quality of a boy. Number 2. I saw a hungry cat. Now the word hungry describes the quality of cat. Number 2. Adjectives of quantity. How much. The word which describes the quantity of noun or a pronoun is known as adjectives of quantity. It is approximately but not exact. For example, some, little, few, half. Now let us understand through examples. Number 1. I have little faith in God. Now the word little describes the quantity. Number 2. I don't have much time. Now the word much describes quantity. Now move on to the third one, adjectives of number. How many. Word which express the exact number of noun or a pronoun and their position or a place in certain order is called adjective of number. For example, 1 or first, 2 or second, 3 or third, 4 or fourth. Now in the form of sentence, a week has 7 days. Now the word 7 describes the adjective of number. Number 2. Every poor needs job. Now the word every describes the adjective of number. Now, number 4th adjective is demonstrative adjective, which words that are used to point out a specific person or a thing is called demonstrative adjective. For example, this, that, these, those, etc. Now, in the form of sentence, number 1, this is a pen. Now, the word this describes demonstrative adjective. Number 2, those are apples. Now, the word those describes the demonstrative adjective. Now, number 5th, interrogative adjectives means ask questions. Words that are used with nouns to ask question are called interrogative adjectives. For example, what, when, who plus question mark. Now, in the form of sentence, what is your name? Now, what describes the interrogative adjective, and at the end the symbol of question mark. Number 2, when you will come. Now, when describes the interrogative adjective. Now, move on to the next type is distributive adjective, a word used to refer to each and every person or a thing is called distributive adjective. For example, each, every, neither, any, both. Now, in the form of sentences. Number 1, I like neither of them. Now, the word neither describes distributive adjective. Number 2, every nation is proud of its culture. Now, the word every describes distributive adjectives. Move on to the next type is proper adjectives. Originates from a proper noun. Proper adjectives originates from proper noun and, like proper adjective, always begin with capital letters. For example, Italian, Indian, Russian. Sentences: she is an Indian person. Now, the word Indian describes the proper adjective, and at the end, at the last, possessive adjectives means ownership. Possessive adjective shows something belongs to somebody. For example, my, your, their, its, his or her. Now, in the form of sentences, my book is on the table. Now, the word my describes the possessive adjective. Number 2, his brother is very sweet. Now, the word his considered as possessive adjectives. So students, this is all about for nouns. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell button for more updates. Thank you.